Thank you for checking out my watch. Today, I'm gonna do something a little different here. I got a package in the mail. It is actually Christmas Eve, and that's why it's opened already. I didn't really look at the watches yet, but I did take the address off because I wanted to make a little video on the actual restoration of things and what happens and how I do it. So I got this little lot off of eBay for $10, and I noticed with my little eye, kind of a neat little find in here. So let's see what we got. Peach truck, all right. It was 3 watches. Let's see here. So the first is this amazing, if you can see it, Precision by Gruen quartz watch. This is not why I got the lot. Even though $10, you know, it's not bad for a watch they'll probably clean up and run a little, little quartzy situation. And then the second watch, this is kind of a neat old Elgin pie pan. Actually, it looked like it was running. Yeah, that's running. We'll see how well it's running here. I think it's a 3-star old Elgin pie pan, small seconds. Looks like it's got a nice little gold bezel there. Neat little piece. And then this is what I was very interested in. And wow, this is running too. Okay, so this is Nivada Gretchen, Antarctic. Now, I couldn't see on the, oh gosh, that's smooth. Amazing. I couldn't see on the listing what it was. Antarctic D. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. But this is the before of what it looks like, and I will check in as we continue to work this bad boy down. All right, step 1. We're going to take off the watch case back, and let's see how this thing looks underneath. Really in good shape. That's amazing. All right, so typically the first thing I want to do is remove the movement from the case. So we're going to do that here real quick so we can give the case a nice little clean. Take that out. And let's see here. There we go. So there is the dial, and here is the case. So the dial is gross. We may try to clean that because that just looks like it's filth on top. But it is running well. This thing is going to take a nice little bath. All right, next thing I typically do is I take the case and I put a little Dawn power wash on there, and honestly, spray a bunch on. And I'm just going to let that bad boy sit for a hot second. In the meantime, I'm going to get some water, some hot water, and make a little concoction here. I'll show you in a sec. Next, get about a 1.5 cups of water, put a little bit more Dawn dish soap in there. I put this bad boy in the microwave. All right, now it's been sitting for a second. We take this out of the pot and got a little toothbrushki. Give it a good scrub. So do round 2 real quick while our, and what I'll do, I'll take a little thingy, a little wooden stick, And this is really hard to do on camera, actually, for some reason. To try to get off some of the harder to get spots. All right, well, we heard that. Put this in the ultrasonic with our quasi-boiling Dawn dish soap situation. Throw that in there. And give it a run through the ultrasonic real quick. All right, guys, well, here is the final product. I think I'm gonna not do anything more to the case. You know, it bums me out that on the dial we lost the rest of Antarctic, and then whatever that D meant afterwards, I'm not quite sure, but here we go. And you know, the final step is going to be seeing how this bad boy runs. So I'll be honest with you, I put it on the time grapher before we started this, but sometimes, you know, things change. Oops, there we go. Got it on there. Let's see. Okay, so amplitude's a little bit low, but everything else is looking pretty good. Amazing for a watch that came out of a $10 lot. So anyway, thank you for watching this little short, and tune in next time where I'm going to try again to bring some of these bad boys back to life.